Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the command prompt window is active. This matters because close commands target the focused process. Once ready, save open files, make sure you won't lose changes, and check your current directory with cd or dir to see what's running. Now type exit and pause. This is the simplest command to terminate CMD. If exit returns you to another shell, make sure you're in the top-level CMD process before proceeding to final cleanup steps. Once done checking the basics, inspect any child processes started by CMD because exit won't stop external programs. You can list tasks with task list, then decide whether to end them with taskl/PID 1234/T. That ends the tree safely. If you hit a running script or command, press Ctrl+C to interrupt it. This prevents corrupted outputs. Make sure to rerun dir to confirm everything stopped, and then type exit again when no dependent processes remain to ensure a clean closure. You finish by typing exit and pressing enter. That closes the command prompt when nothing else blocks it. If the window stays, make sure you didn't spawn an elevated or nested shell. Close the parent shell instead. If exit still fails or CMD is unresponsive, open Task Manager, locate CMD. EXE and end the process. Only do that when safe because unsaved data will be lost. One key tip: check for background services and child PIDs before a forced kill to avoid unintended consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.